Today I'm going to be discussing with you guys what this channel is actually about, why I created it, the direction I see it going, and really what inspired me to create it in general. So what inspired me to create this channel was I just found it really difficult sometimes, not only in my actual real life, but online, to figure out what it was that I should be learning and the things that would actually help me advance inside of my career. And I was fortunate enough to have a few people in my circle that helped make that a bit easier. But still, sometimes I found there was a lot of gatekeeping, and sometimes people don't want to tell you everything you need to know, and you still got to go out and figure it out. And there's nothing wrong with that. I'm not going to, throw shots at anyone because I respect where they're at and I appreciate the information they gave me. But I figured I'd make this a lot easier for people in general to figure out when I created this channel so that they don't have to spend so much time trying to figure out what's necessary versus kind of like trying to figure out what's fluff and what's not, essentially. And that took me a while to figure out myself, but I know what it's like, and I wanted to make sure that I shared that with people. And building a community is more important to me than just gaining a customer. And I didn't want to come out here and start selling stuff to people because that's just not what I made this channel for. And it's pretty cool because I get a lot of emails, and I've actually gotten a lot of work on the side where people hire me as a DOP, as a VFX compositor on their stuff, or just teaching them in general as a result of them seeing a lot of the stuff that's on this page. And I treat this page kind of like a supplement to the things that I do in real life. This is not me trying to be a YouTuber or anything. I kind of find it more like an online diary, so to speak. I think I'll look back on this in like 10, 15 years, and it'd be cool to even show my son, this is what I was doing, and I kind of documented everything. But I think in general, when you see the impact that what you do has on people in real life, is probably the most rewarding thing. And I don't think you could put a dollar value on that. And I do see the emails and the messages that you guys send me with, the thanks that you're giving to all the information that I provide to you guys, the footage and whatnot. And I just want to say, it doesn't go unnoticed. You know what I mean? And I really do appreciate the fact that, I take my time to do this stuff and you guys actually engage in it, and you figure out how to do cool things, come up with new ideas and stuff. And you have all this footage and access to this stuff that really helps you start building, not just watching stuff, but being able to actually work with it and work with me and go through these tutorials. And then you start tagging me and stuff. And man, that's just incredible to watch. So I just wanted to say to all of you guys out there that really find this useful, I appreciate you as much as you appreciate me. And I get it. Like when people look at my page on Instagram or my TikTok or all the other social media I have, even YouTube, and they think like, well, this guy does all this cool stuff. And that's mostly just creative stuff I do on the side. Like when I'm doing a typical project, I'm usually doing like guns firing or, just rotoscoping out a person or, replacing sky. Like it's not really this very hyper creative stuff that I like to do on the side because I'm really inspired by anime. You know what I mean? I just take it upon myself to, after my son goes to sleep and I'm done with my business on the side, trying to figure out cooler and cooler ways to bring new ideas to you guys for stuff for you to work on. And then it's just my creative outlet having this page. And it's really cool building a community with you guys that all want to be a part of it and also explore that too, because it's also dope to see the ideas that you guys come out with. But in general, like I said, the whole idea behind this page is not that I want to become quote unquote a YouTuber. It's just that this is one of those platforms where I feel like it's really good for providing that educational content that helps people grow. And like I said, man, like when you build that trust with people that in real life implement this stuff and see a difference, like it's just one of the best feelings that you can ever imagine having. And it's interesting because what's happening now with this page is, I know people appreciate the visual effects tutorials and stuff, but there's going to be a mixture of some other stuff because I am a DOP and I love it to death. I love cameras. I love lenses. I love all of the nuance that comes with understanding sensors, bit depth. And I don't want to get too deep into it in this whole little ramble that I'm about to go on, but that's what I get hired for a majority of the time. It's just that, like I said, the VFX and stuff is a supplement, and learning how to composite inside of these projects that I get pulled onto has literally broadened my horizon so much that it's allowed for me to make money in places I would have never imagined. And having this YouTube too is just increasing that reach in places where I'd never suspect it. So for instance, my buddy Zenbone, and he's a crazy CGI artist. You guys should look him up. I'll put his stuff over here. he has a YouTube page also too. He's working with a marketing agency, man, and he does all the film stuff and whatnot too. And then he said he was walking by one of the offices, and one of the people that were in the office were watching one of my tutorials. And I thought to myself, like, whoa, that's crazy. Like, you never think people are actually watching until you realize, like, your outreach goes so much further than you can imagine. And to see that people actually, find value in what it is that I'm doing, it's just kind of mind boggling. And sometimes you don't understand it until you get like these testimonials, or you hear from people that tell you, like, there's people out there that are really engaging with your content, that find value in it. And I don't know, man, it's super cool to see that. You know what I mean? Like, it's really dope to know people are out there watching, and they feed off of your content, and it helps them in their real life. So, I mean, I don't know, man. It's super cool to see. You know what I mean? And with this channel, I do feel like I'm going in the direction that I want to start doing more than just VFX tutorials. Like, showing you guys the process on pre-production, the productions that I do, the post-production aspect of it, and documenting how I became a full-time creative, because all I need is my computer and my camera, and essentially that's how I've been making my living for the past decade. And I feel like there's so much information out there that's confusing for people, because there's a lot of smoke and mirrors. But I wanted to start breaking down to people like the things that you actually need to be doing that are tangible, that'll help you in your career to make a living off of what you do, and you don't just quit your job on a whim. You know what I mean? Like, you have to build into that. And man, the network you have will take you so far. Like, do a good job, make sure people like you, and over deliver and under promise, man. And I'm telling you, it will go the distance for you. That's what I've been doing since the inception of my career, and it's taken me so far as a result of it. And make sure that you keep people around you that are serious, man. Like, I'm telling you, you really are the sum of the people that you keep yourself around. So if you have people that have these low standards and stuff, or just don't believe in what you're doing, or aren't pushing for more, it's like, it's going to limit how you're able to grow too. And I've had really dope friends like Axel and Steven, and it sucks because Steven lives all the way in Toronto, so I have to drive 4 hours. And now Axel's, he's in France, and, I miss him. He's my homie, and I used to do some of the wickedest projects with him. But at the end of the day, it's like, where I got to now was a result of really good friends that are around me that I was able to create with and experiment with. So when I started getting to paid projects and stuff, it's like, even them, when they seen the work I did, were able to suggest that, like, hire Josh to do this thing, and I'd go out and I'd knock it out the park. And it all started from those little projects that we'd go on a whim and do. I'm talking like, we were going into mountains that in like -40. I'm not even joking. Frozen. We hiked up for like an hour and a half with all of our equipment. We'd go out in like 40-degree plus weather where we're baking. We'd go out at midnight. It didn't matter, because if you're driven and you really want something, nothing's going to stop you from doing it. Even if I was working my shitty jobs at one point where, I was cleaning cars and delivering pizzas and stuff, because I went through something that really changed my life. And having these people around and having these great ideas and just executing time and time again without giving up helped me build that resilience necessary so that I was able to build this career, and I don't regret anything. And I tell people all the time, man, like, just go for it. After you're done work, keep working. Because if you have a dream, man, you just need to follow that and be very pragmatic about it too. That's why I said in this channel, I want to start talking to people about the fundamental things that I found over the longer period of my career that really established what helped me get to the point that I am right now. You know what I mean? So, but at the end of the day, there is a lot I can talk about, but I want to make sure that I kind of form those thoughts in a series where, people that are coming up or people that are already there can take the information that I'm giving them and apply it to something in their life that's really going to help them start building that career that they want, where they don't got to go clock in 9 to 5 every day. And the thing that they learned that they got good at, they can start making an actual living off of. And I'm not talking about viral content and trying to, like, all that stuff is smoke and mirrors too. Like, there is a fraction of a percentage of people that are actually able to sustain their lifestyle doing that. And when you have a family like I do, when you have your wife and your kid and you're trying to provide for them, you need to actually know what you're doing. You can't just guess, because even a perfect shot will miss without a target. And that's what I'm trying to drill to people. Like, you need to know that. But otherwise than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this. We're going to have a lot more of these, and we're going to have more of the breakdowns and stuff. So don't worry about that. It's not going anywhere. But as always, I appreciate you guys. I want to build this community, make sure people keep growing, and I will see you guys on the next one. I'm gonna go make my son some food, so peace.